As the world leader in access equipment, JLG continuously innovates to solve challenges on the job site. Our team focuses on bringing customers greater productivity, improved safety, and advanced technology with every product we introduce. Today, I'd like to show you the machine that is setting a new benchmark for scissor lifts, the DAVINCI all-electric scissor lift. This machine has zero hydraulics, zero leaks, zero emissions, and zero battery replacements, so you can work cleaner and smarter. Before we jump into what makes this machine unique, I want to point out some of the standard specifications on the DAVINCI AE1932. This machine provides you with a 19-foot platform height. It can carry 2 operators indoors and 1 operator outdoors with an impressive 600-pound platform capacity both indoors and out at full height. That's 20% more capacity than most competitive models. Now, let's take a look at some of the systems that make this the industry's first truly all-electric scissor. The DAVINCI AE1932 features an extremely efficient, maintenance-free AC drive system that allows you to travel up to 4 miles per hour. The drive system also offers independent drive control of the wheels, which is important when turning because as one wheel speeds up, another one slows. This reduces tire wear as well as minimizes damage to sensitive flooring. Another industry-exclusive feature is progressive elevated drive speed, meaning that if this machine is in rabbit mode, it's going to vary the elevated drive speed based on its height to help keep you moving. This is different from most scissors, which only offer a single speed once they leave the stowed position. With progressive elevated drive speed, you can move faster to be more productive. Next up is the steering system. The steering actuator on the DAVINCI model is electric, which means it consumes only a fraction of the energy compared to a traditional hydraulic steering cylinder. This cuts down on the overall energy consumption of the machine during operation. One of the key components in any scissor is the lift system. But the lift system on the DAVINCI scissor is highly innovative because the actuator is fully electric. In fact, the industry-leading platform capacity on this model is thanks in part to its electric actuator, which has the capability of lifting more weight than a standard hydraulic cylinder. The electric lift system on this model also provides active battery charging. This is the only machine in the industry that captures energy while descending to recharge its battery. This active battery recharging is another way this machine lowers your overall energy consumption and extends the life of the battery after each charge. Speaking of the battery, let's go over what you're going to see inside this machine. Our DAVINCI scissor has a single lithium-ion battery that's 1/3 the size of the battery pack on a conventional scissor lift. And there are a couple important benefits that this single lithium-ion battery provides. First, your scissor is going to perform at the same level no matter where it is in the duty cycle because there's no performance degradation as you go from 100% charge to 0% charge. The battery is also made to last the machine's lifespan. Imagine not having to change a battery for 10 years. Battery maintenance and replacements, plus associated labor, are some of the highest cost drivers of running a scissor fleet. So not having to change a battery will significantly reduce your maintenance costs over the life of the machine. The last point I want to make here is that the battery on our DAVINCI scissor lift has a quick charge feature. Imagine picking up a scissor lift only to find that the battery isn't charged. On a standard unit, you would need to plug it in and wait hours or find a forklift to move it onto a truck. With the DAVINCI scissor, you can plug it in for 5 minutes to get enough charge to be able to drive 100 feet and have enough torque to climb a trailer. That means you can get the machine loaded quickly, regardless of its state of charge when you arrive. You'll also notice that the battery charger is located at the rear of the machine, along with the manual descent. This is similar across the full line of JLG scissors. A 650-watt charger comes standard on the AE1932, and it takes just 3.5 hours to fully charge the battery. That's 3.5 times faster than a standard unit. A 900-watt charger is also available, and this option charges the machine in 2.5 hours. We've worked to shorten the charge time so you can spend more time using the machine. Along with its advanced drive, steering, and lift systems, this machine also offers a next-generation control system that brings you more connectivity and better serviceability. This control system provides precise control without any latency and minimizes voltage drops across the machine circuits. It also delivers seamless serviceability in several ways. First, it monitors the safe working limits of all systems, and it displays warning signals when these conditions aren't met. It allows for automatic troubleshooting of basic faults and puts intuitive troubleshooting steps at the user's fingertips. When it comes to connectivity, this system is integrated with hardware that enables the machine to connect via Bluetooth, as well as participate in far communication with cellular networks. This control system can also collect data, monitor machine failure, and measure and analyze performance of various components like the battery system, all with the goal of improving operation over the life cycle of the machine. The combination of the DAVINCI control system plus data connectivity allows you to perform over-the-air software updates. Technicians can also take advantage of remote diagnostics with JLG experts by simply connecting their smartphone to a DAVINCI unit using the Bluetooth connection. These features lower total cost of ownership by simplifying service and connecting technicians to additional resources to help them quickly troubleshoot machines in the field. Now, let's take a look at some of the innovation in the platform. This model has our new quick fold rail system. This system complies with the most recent industry standards and is also pinless, so there are no pins to remove and keep track of. This feature is great when you need to quickly collapse the rails to fit through tight spaces. Variable tilt functionality is another advanced feature on the DAVINCI model. This feature lets you elevate to limited heights when working on side slopes greater than 1.5 degrees. While most manufacturers completely disable machine functionality if a unit detects a side slope beyond 1.5 degrees, variable tilt increases the working envelope of the scissor by allowing you to continue to work despite the side slope. You'll also notice that we've upgraded the platform control box. In addition to our variable tilt feature, we've incorporated a USB charger and a phone holster. This helps our users keep their phones safely stowed and charged, and it's an important feature as phones become essential tools on the worksite thanks to new apps like JLG Mobile Control and the JLG AR app. And with this model, that phone holster is going to come in extra handy because we have a brand new diagnostic tool that can be used on your mobile device. Technicians will be able to connect to the machine via the DAVINCI Go app to run its self-diagnostic features, easily adjust the machine personality settings, and take advantage of remote diagnostics. This model is also compatible with our JLG mobile control technology, which lets you drive your machine from a distance using your mobile device. So you'll be able to move the machine or load it from outside the platform for better visibility. As you can see, the DAVINCI all-electric scissor lift is the most technologically advanced scissor lift on the market. The great Leonardo da Vinci originated the idea that for a machine to function at its highest level, every single part must be optimized separately and then combined in the most efficient way possible. We've taken this approach by eliminating hydraulic components to provide a truly all-electric scissor lift, a first of its kind. With this optimization, the DAVINCI scissor from JLG delivers zero leaks, zero emissions, and reduced maintenance, and delivers industry-leading performance. We hope you've enjoyed this walk around. For more information, contact your JLG sales representative or visit allelectricscissor.com.